Hey everyone, back up at the farm. It's end of October. It's cold here. There's just no other way to put it. It's got to, well, the forecast was for 20. I checked the temp at 9 o'clock. It was 27 according to the internet. We are getting prepped for winter. The first of our chicken tractors are parked for the winter. Wherever it is, there it is. Parked up along the edge of the garage. Got up here yesterday. Kind of changed our plans. It was raining yesterday, and I knew I wouldn't get anything, as far as outdoor work done. Been a slight change of plans. We've already merged the young chickens into the more mature chickens in the one coop. So the chicken coop project is in second place now. Melissa got some apple trees on discount, and so really the goal for this weekend is to get those apple trees in the ground. I did dig the holes last trip up, so it's really set the levels, fill them with dirt, water them in, etc. So yesterday when I got here, I just used the tractor because it's got a cab on it, and I used the tractor and moved some brush piles onto the main pile for a burn after it snows. And so here is the pile that we will be burning after the snow comes. And it's, frankly, it rains so much it's wet enough we could burn it now, but we're not going to. The way this community works is you need a permit if there isn't snow on the ground. So if you wait till there's snow, then you don't have to bother with getting a permit for any of it. So we're going to just wait. There's no hurry to burn it, and we might get some more things to burn. So as the tractor warms up, I'm going to go clean up one of the fields where I've dug the holes for the trees, and then we're going to get started putting some trees in the ground. When I leave here on Sunday, the tractor will have its plow on in case it snows something sizable. We don't know when the snow is coming, but it could come anytime. So up here outside of Duluth, Minnesota on the farm, it's cold. It is freaking cold compared to what we're used to. But that's the way it goes. It gets cold every year. And up here in the upper Midwest and the north part of the upper Midwest, this is the seasons. It's the end of October. It's not uncommon. It's not global climate change. It's not any of those things. It's just the way it is. Hey, here comes the rest of that video. Hope you enjoy it. As we get started, we're going to use the grapple, back dragging with the lid of the grapple to pull the dirt away from the area where the trees are going to go in. And those trees will be going in the next video. This is Everything Attachment Wicked 60. It's a tough grapple. I bought it because it had such good reviews, and it has lived up to everything I've asked it to do, including back dragging with the lid like this. And you can see that I'm actually picking the front of the tractor up at times when I go to pull it. It's doing a great job, and we're going to get this pulled down and into piles. Normally, when I do the rest of the field in the spring of next year, here we're just running out of time. When we do it in the spring of next year, we can just put it together, clamp it together and set it down on the ground and push with it like a bullnose. and that should get the bulk of the wood moving as well. So this scraping is just because we're pulling it back away from the brush line and the ditch and getting it just out of the way quickly. But we can do pushing as well, and it works great. And then here's a close-up with camera mounted right on the grapple itself, and you can see that we're going to stick the front of the grapple in and then start dragging backwards. I didn't speed this up because you can really see it roll the wood off of the dirt and fill the grapple head up. We're going to make 2 passes of this, and then we'll move on to something else in the video.
Out of the way and everything, and so I just started pushing we still got some stuff up along the creek that I want to get out around the trees, so I'm just getting that cleaned up, and I grabbed a big bunch of this stuff thinking, well, let's see how much I can get in the grapple at one time, and the honest answer is it's going to take 100 grapple loads to take it to the back burn pile. And so that's not going to work. If we're going to burn it, we got to burn it in place. So. All right. Well, I'm not sure I'm going to do much with it this season. I'm just going to get it out of the way, and we can deal with it better next season when we have some more time.
Now we're moving over to moving brush piles. Got a couple of big piles of brush from some trimming we did earlier in the year where the power came in, and that stack is here. We grab it and we run it out across the field and dump it in the fire pit, and then it's easier to come up the driveway from the fire pit out to the road. This shows that we're at the north driveway, the main driveway, and we can just turn the corner here and head to the south driveway in and grab another load.
Cause a little trouble, don't shed a tear. Keep that sunny smile from ear to ear. And baby, cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. Keep me up every night. Keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone.
So we had a bit of a accident carrying a log across the field. Apparently it was rotten in the middle, and it broke. It swung back and it hit the valve stem on the big tire in the back, causing it to go flat in the middle of the field. I don't have the tools to deal with this in the field, so I called in a mobile truck, and he has replaced the valve stem, and now he's going to reseat the tire. Watch closely, because he's going to use fire to do it. And there you go. He uses the expansion of the burn to put the tire back on the bead. He then proceeds to tell me that they had a guy at the shop hanging on to that bar rather than just pushing on it, and it broke his wrist when it came off the tire with the power of the. So this is not something for the faint of heart, but it got the tire back on, and that is just great. Well, it's coming to the end. We did the clearing, scraped the dirt or the wood back where the trees are going to go. We'd already cleaned the ditches out. They were hauling some brush off of the multiple brush piles from where we've been doing some land clearing where the future shop is going to be. And you saw us brake the tractor. Now that the tire is reinflated and we're done with those projects, it's time for it to go in for its 800-hour service. Being we don't have a shop on the property, we're taking it to a local dealer where they're going to do the full 800-hour service and a few other little minor things that we want to get done. And then it'll be back and we'll get back to work. So have a great day. Thanks for coming. Like and subscribe. We're just here working on the property as much as we can. Thanks and good day.